Ha?
10.
10. What is this?
Jet.
Jet.
Tapos na yun.
Oo. Dalawa yun eh.
Di, sabi ni teacher, pag may dalawang letters na hindi pareha, tapos itong pareha, yun na yun.
Pero you have to express ganyan. Okay? Okay, next. Okay. Read. Neck.
Pep.
Pep. Okay.
Bed.
Pep. Okay.
Then.
Okay. Next.
Make.
Neck. Oh, yes.
Tell.
Double L yan ha. So, you have to emphasize the L, the L, and L. Okay? Okay. This one next.
Wet.
Wed.
Red. Lead.
Red.
Del.
Del. Read. Ham.
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 Get.
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 Hmm? Oh. Lakas ah. Web. Web. Yes. Okay. Read. Yung last eh. So, you have to pa. Last word is K. Oh, so? Peck. Tad. Very good. What's this?
Yeah.
Yen.
Egg.
It's B. How do you say? Okay.
Egg. Make.
Egg.